Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, we continue with the funny little story that we're introducing to the channel. So I'll bring you this story. I'm not quite sure if it is funny or tragic, and I'm not quite sure what I am making of it, but I find it quite I wouldn't say amusing but engaging. But let me just bring you the story, and then you can see what you make of it, and you can tell me what we are making of it. And then obviously I'll read you through some of the comments that people have left on the sort of article as well. So here it goes. It says, man reveals shocking way he found out his girlfriend was engaged to someone else. So man reveals the shocking way he found out his girlfriend was engaged to someone else. So I'll leave the guy's name out, but although it's in public sphere. It says, while I was dating my ex, she updated her relationship status on Facebook to engaged. I was surprised and I have to call her, and did. You know what she told me? That she was afraid to let me know that she stopped dating me 5 months ago. So now the girl has stopped dating him 5 months ago apparently, and the guy wasn't aware of this. So I'm not quite sure if that's the funny bit. So now this is what people are making of it. Uzi, Che, take heart. Someone that is ready to wife her beat you to it. So that one is just taking a neutral tack. But then this one here, Okogo, as if you don't know you are a time waster. She stopped dating you 5 months ago and you didn't notice the change. So that's where it started to kick in. Laughing my ass off, I think. Yeah, laughing my ass off. What? And then it didn't put the exclamation mark, but there's several question marks. So I'm adding the exclamation mark to that. And then Juliet goes, he, Orishi Rishi. And then that's what Juliet has to say. Cheryl, laugh out loud. So for 5 good months he was dating himself. Was he blind or just dumb? Might well be a combination of the two. Now this one, Kelvin, I think he must have had experiences. So Kelvin goes, that's women for you. So that's what Kelvin has to say. Some guys even get the signs but fail to accept them because they are the ones who's so into the girl. I'm not going to bother with that. The grammar is too wonky. So Henry goes, female as scammers. If you're my response to Henry was just released from Yaba left. I think that is where Aromental is. Someone should get a chain to hold him down before he goes on rampage. On every blog shouting scam. So clearly male-female battle there. So David, my friend, you are becoming a nuisance here. I suggest you crawl back to your hole instead of littering the whole place with your natural stupidity. So that's a response to somebody. Then Big, if you are a hoe, that's it's just getting abusive now. Anonymous, do you know any other word other than the word scammer? So it looks as though this guy always comes in calling everybody a scammer, and on it goes. So a fun little story, a silly little tweet by an obviously silly little guy, and a guy that would come out in public to say that his girl is posting an update to say that she's engaged to somebody else, and then he's then phoned the girl, and then the girl had to explain to him that, well, I stopped dating you 5 months ago, and the girl stopped dating him 5 months ago, which is almost half a year, and he wasn't aware that the girl had actually stopped dating him. So that in itself explains everything that you need to know about this guy and his supposed relationship and the reasons why the girl felt her future was not with him. So you can see it all there in this just short paragraph tweet. That is rather I'm happy to call him a dumb guy because he is dumb. So you can see it all there in this rather silly tweet that this dumb guy has put out there to make a mockery of himself. So a mockery he has made of himself, and a mockery everybody is making of him. So what do you make of it? Girl stopped dating guy for 5 months, and the guy wasn't aware until he went on her Facebook page. That did they not meet up? Are they in different cities? I don't even know. I'm not going to task my brain on this because this seems just too dumb for words. So but you can let me know, because I know you guys are a lot more intelligent than I am, so perhaps you can explain this to me. So give me those explanations in the comment section as usual. But before you come give me an explanation for this rather dumb act by this seemingly dumb guy, click on the red subscribe button first so it goes gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a vid, and then feed me back to let me know if you're enjoying this little irreverent, little funny little stories that I'm introducing to the channel. It can just be like a little side dish to the main course of the politics that we feed on all the time. So let me know what your take is on it. Are you happy for me to continue with it, or would you rather it was not so prominent? So let me know all that in the comment section. So I'll leave you here and then we'll carry on this conversation in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.